This cause number 2021-13803. In the interest of Wade Sellers, all parties, witnesses, please raise your right hand, unmute yourself, and raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Haley Ann Farmer, and Wade Sellers is my son.
All right, and representing the state.
Sade Parker, Your Honor.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Zachary Mitchell Sellers. Mr. Sellers was personally served on April 22nd, 2021 at 6:18 p.m. at 8714 Kensington Court, LaPorte, Harris County, Texas, and he has not filed an answer or a period. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, the state would like to call Haley Ann Farmer.
Yes.
Ms. Farmer, who is Wade Michael Sellers?
He's my son.
What is his birth date?
October 17th, 2019.
How old is he?
He will be 2 on October 17th.
And who is his father?
Zachary Mitchell Sellers.
And do you recall when Wade was born, Mr. Zachary Sellers signing an acknowledgement of paternity at the hospital?
Yes.
Do you also recall signing this acknowledgement of paternity?
Yes.
And are you requesting that this court establish a parent-child relationship between Wade Michael Sellers and Zachary Mitchell Sellers?
Yes.
What type of conservatorship are you requesting?
Joint managing.
And what type of visitation are you requesting?
Second and fourth weekends.
Okay, so and when you say second and fourth weekends, is that something that you guys are already doing?
Yes, ma'am.
And how long have you been doing the second and fourth weekends?
Since August 2nd, 2021.
Okay, so since you guys have separated, you've been doing his visitation on the second and the fourth weekend of the month.
Yes, ma'am.
And you're requesting to continue the second and the fourth weekend of the month, but the rest of the visitation in terms of the summer and the vacations and the holidays, that would be off the standard possession order, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And when did you and Mr. Sellers separate?
August 2nd, 2021.
And since you and Mr. Sellers have separated, has he provided you any type of financial support?
No.
For Wade? Okay. And what type of private health or dental insurance is available for Wade?
He has a private insurance.
And is it through your job?
It's through his grandmother's job, but I pay her.
Okay. And you understand that by law, we can set the amount that he reimburses you the medical support at 9% of what of his income, correct?
Yes.
And you pay $217 per month for that insurance, correct?
Yes.
And we've requested that the medical insurance be set, that the medical support be set at $204 per month, starting on November 1st of 2021, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and to your knowledge, is Mr. Sellers employed?
Yes.
Where is he employed?
Metrovsky Welding Equipment, Ltd.
And how long has he been employed there?
Since July 19, 2021.
And how much does he make per hour there?
$15 an hour.
And approximately how many hours does he work per week?
About 35.
And the child support that you requested has been based off of the $15 per hour and the 35 hours per week, correct?
Yes.
And you're requesting that child support be ordered in the amount of $353 per month beginning on November 1st of 2021.
Yes.
And in terms of the retroactive child support, you're requesting that the retroactive time period be from August 2nd of this year until today's date, correct?
Yes.
And your request, and this is based off of the $15 per hour and the 35 hours per week, correct?
Yes.
And you're requesting the amount of $1,182 to be paid back at $56 per month beginning on November 1st of 2021.
Yes.
And you're also requesting that Mr. Sellers be ordered to pay all court costs as billed,
Yes.
and also requesting that he be ordered to pay 50% of all uncovered healthcare expenses.
Yes.
And do you believe this order is in the best interest of your child?
Yes.
Are you asking the court to approve this default order?
Yes.
Your Honor, I have no further questions for this witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted